Welcome to this guide on BitLocker policy deployment using Endpoint Central. Once you've created a BitLocker policy, the next step is associating it with target devices. Supported target types include static computer groups, static unique groups, and dynamic groups. To deploy, go to the Policy Deployment section under the BitLocker Management module in the Endpoint Central console and click Associate Policy. Select the custom group for deployment or choose the All Computers group to automate deployment for all endpoints. This ensures new computers joining the network automatically receive the policy. After selecting the group, choose the BitLocker policy to associate. Only one policy can be linked to a group at a time. Click Deploy to apply the policy during the next refresh cycle, or use the Deploy Immediately option to apply it instantly to up to 250 computers. Monitor deployment status in the Endpoint Central console, where you can track encryption progress and troubleshoot failures. To verify encryption, visit the Manage Computers section to see the status of each device. If encryption remains incomplete, user input like a PIN or passphrase may be required, especially for non-TPM devices. That's it. With Endpoint Central's streamlined process, you can easily associate and deploy BitLocker policies, ensuring encryption and security across your organization. Thank you for watching.